Hi, it is Tuesday, November 17th. We did lesson 3.2 today. I'm sorry, or yeah, lesson 3.2, and they may have written it down as 2.3 in their planners. It is module 2, lesson 3. And today we're working on a math problem that has a 9 in it. We're going to make that 9 into a 10 by borrowing from the other number in the math problem, and then that number gets smaller by 1. So for their homework, they have 5 story problems, and what they are going to do, I'm sorry, let me get my pen out here, and they're going to read, first of all, read the story problems, just like we always do. They're going to circle the numbers they see in that math problem. For number one, it says Ron has 9 marbles, Sue has 4 marbles. So what I would like them to do right now is just make 9 dots to show the 9 marbles, and I want them to do it in the base or 10 frame way, which is 5 on the top and then the rest on the bottom. So that's 9, and then they need to make 4 dots on this side. So the first thing they want you to do, this first problem here, is just look at the story and write the numbers down. Make that math problem. So a 9 and the other number in the story is a 4. Make what? What's the total? So they can count their 9 dots plus their 4, which would give us 13. Now we're going to make that 9 into a 10. So what they're going to do is they're going to erase or mark out one of these dots of the 4 and move it over here to make 10. So now it's not a 9 and a 4. Now it's a 10, which is what this says here, and a 3. So now it's a little bit easier to find the total because we've talked many times about 10 plus a single digit is going to give you 18. So 10 plus 3 would make 13. And I've told them and I've talked to them about how the total is exactly the same because all we did was move one dot from here over to here. We didn't add anything. We did not take away anything. We just moved. So our total is not going to be any different. It's still going to be 13. So Ron and Sue have 13 marbles. For number 2 on the front side of the homework, you're going to do the same thing. On the back side of the homework, on this side here, instead of using the words like and make, they just have a plus sign and an equal sign. So for this first story here, it says Stan has 6 fish, Meg has 9. How many fish do they have in all? So our first math problem is just going to be what is in our story, which is a 9, which they have here, and a 6, which is here. So we're going to go ahead and make those dots. Let's start with our 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 plus 6 is going to be, they can count all their dots, 15. Now I want them to make this 9 into a 10. So they're going to take their eraser or their pen and either cross out or erase one of these dots here from the 6, and they're going to draw it over here on the 9. And now it's not a 9 anymore. Now we have a group of 10 plus a group of 5. And we should know the team number. 10 plus a 5 would equal 15. And again, our totals do not change. So Stan and Meg have 15 fish. I want them to just start thinking about a 9 as a 10 and then taking away the other number in the problem. So instead of a 7, it becomes a 6. So 10 and 6 make 16. If you have any troubles with that, try your very best. Just write, we had trouble with it at the top, and I can talk with the students when they get here tomorrow. Just try your very best, and good luck. Thank you.